दोस्तों बीकॉम है। गेट में क्वेश्चंस आए हैं इसलिए करवा रही हूँ मैं आपको। क्वेश्चन है डिटरमाइन द इंस्टेंटेनियस फ्रीक्वेंसी इन हर्ट्ज एट t इक्वल टू 0 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिग्नल cos 500 pi t cos sin 2 pi t plus sin 500 pi t sin of sin 2 pi t. How will you be able to calculate it? See, this is the equation, okay, of modulation. Now instantaneous frequency it is asking, right? So what I can do here, I can just write down the formula that cos of 500 pi t minus sine 2 pi t. Okay, as you can know, as you know this formula that cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sine a sine b, right? So here this the formula is okay. Now what is the phase angle? Theta t is equal to 500 pi t minus sine 2 pi t. So instantaneous frequency is what? D theta t by dt. So here it will be what? 500 pi minus 2 pi cos 2 pi t. ठीक है. Now what you have to do, instantaneous frequency, okay, at t equal to 0, it will be what? 500 pi minus 2 pi and cos 0. Okay, because you have cos 0 is equal to 1. So here 500 pi minus 2 pi into 1. So it will be how much? 498 pi, right? It is 498 pi. Now instantaneous frequency is equal to what? Omega I by 2 pi. Okay, so it will be 498 pi upon 2 pi and it will be 249 hertz. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. Yes. So what we have done here, we have to find the instantaneous frequency using this formula d theta t by dt. You have to just recognize what is the phase function. Then you have to just put the value and then at maximum value what is the instantaneous frequency. At t equal to 0 it will have maximum value. Then omega I fi is equal to omega I by 2 pi. Okay. So this was the first question. Now next question is what? You have to calculate that the saving. Okay. Question is the saving in power in a DSP AC system compared to AM and 80% modulation is okay. Uh, modulated at 80% is C. Generalized AM expression क्या है? S of T, SAMT is equal to AC of 1 plus MA. Okay. MHT. Okay, supposing this is the equation, cos of omega ct. Now total transmitted power is Pt is equal to Pc of 1 plus Ma square by 2. Okay, now you have uh, this is sideband power Ps is equal to M square Pc by 2. Okay, so power in a single sideband, okay, it will be equal to how much? It will be half. So half into ma square pc by 2. Pc is equal to how much? A square by 2. The above can be written as how much? It can be written as sideband power, okay, like LSB or USB. Okay, for one sideband power we have half into sorry, AC square by 2 into how much? It is MA square by 2. Okay, so it will be 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. So it will be AC square MA square upon 8. Okay, now this is the formula. Now the question is that you have been asked the saving in power in DSB-AC system modulated at 80% as compared to 80% modulation case of game. That means MA is 0.8, right? So what you have done here, MA is equal to 0.8, so PT is equal to PC of 1 plus 0.8 into 0.8 by 2. So this will be PC into 1 plus 0.32 and this will be 1.32 PC. Now power in sidebands you have to calculate. Okay, what you have to do, uh, power in sideband, sorry, here it is, no? So power in sidebands is equal to how much? When this PT is 0.1.32 PC. So this is MA square PC by 2, right? So it is 0.8 into 0.8 into PC by 2. So it will be 0.32 PC. Okay. Now the power saving, you have to calculate the power saving. So power saving is equal to PT minus PSB in one sideband upon PT into 100. So what is the total power? 1.32 minus 0.32 upon 1.32. So it is 1.00 upon 1.32 and then it is 100. Okay. So here you will calculate it as 75.75%. Okay. Right. तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? 75.75%. राइट. क्योंकि आपने क्या फॉर्मूला लगाया है, सेविंग इन पावर जब भी पूछता है, सेविंग इन पावर इसका फॉर्मूला होता है टोटल पावर माइनस वन ऑफ द साइडबेंड्स पावर अपॉन पीटी इंटू 100. एंड साइडबेंड पावर आपका क्या है? एम ए स्क्वायर पी सी बाई 2. तो एम ए की वैल्यू रखो, ठीक है. साइड बैंड मतलब आप पावर इन जो साइड बैंड्स जा रही है वो निकालोगे, ठीक है. पावर इन द साइड बैंड्स जो आपकी इक्वल पावर है, राइट. तो ये मैंने क्वेश्चन करा दिया है, इसको आप लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलेगा, ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अच्छे क्वेश्चन हैं, गेट में आते हैं.